Hey guys, welcome to basically part 2 of that Model 1's unboxing. So now I'm going to show you the nail design that I came up with using the Model 1's tips and those gel colors that I unboxed in my last video. I did use the rubber base from one of the sets that I received. I used this one and it is very pretty. The nail design that I'm doing, I did take inspo from Pinterest. Here's the photos right here, and this set is super easy. I even used the Model 1's colors to draw out the little fruit shapes. Now I do want to tell you guys in this video, I do not paint any colors really close to my cuticle. That is because this is a pop-off set, so these nails aren't really that secure. Since I'm just going to pop them off, we're only focused on the nail design, not the application of the tips, okay? Because as soon as I was done filming, I popped these right off. But these colors are very pretty. If you watched the last video, then you saw all the swatches. They are pretty pigmented. I don't think I went in with 2 coats with any of these colors that I chose to use today. And if you're interested in this specific nail set, it was a 32-piece nail set. 28 of those were gel colors, and then 4 colors were, or 4 polishes. There were 3 different top coats, a glitter top coat, a matte top coat, and then a regular glossy top coat. Then it also came with a base coat. So if you're interested, then check out my description box and you will see a link to go ahead and buy. It is linked also in my Amazon storefront. And this particular set, these colors, the color polishes, not the builder gels, but the color polishes, that whole 32-piece set is actually going to be 25% off during the Model 1's Prime Day sale. And if you're not interested in this or something else, then they will have deals up to 70% off on their other items. So if you're interested in trying out Model 1's, this is my first time really trying out their colors. I don't have anything from Model 1's, just a couple colors from them. And like I said in my last video, I have already tried their base coat and top coat before and I have no issues with them. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this nail design. Remember, we're only focused on the design. So I didn't paint too close to my cuticle because I didn't want it to be difficult to get these tips off after I was done. And if you want to know how I do my pop-off sets, then let me know and I'll do maybe a YouTube short, or maybe I'll include it in another video showing you how I do it. I don't know. You guys who film doing the nails straight onto your hand, which I've done that in a few videos, but if you look at my channel, I mostly do just press-on sets because making sure that your hand is in frame, it was so hard to do. I kept having to look at the camera to make sure it was in frame, but I think I did pretty good with filming it. If you like this style of video, as far as me painting the design straight on my nails, like on my hand, versus doing like press-on sets, then let me know and maybe I'll incorporate some more pop-off sets in other videos. Now, although these colors aren't painting gels, because you know painting gels are a little bit thicker, these polishes are more on the thinner side, so definitely be careful that you don't flood your sidewalls or flood your cuticles when you're painting. It was pretty easy to still use them for artwork. So I used the polishes to do the line work and to paint the little fruits on each nail, and I didn't really have any issues. I was making sure that I flash cured in between, and I went in with thin enough coats so when I did flash cure, it didn't bubble or wrinkle, because you know a flash cure is not a full cure. So sometimes if you go in with too thick of a coat, you will get some bubbling with a flash cure. I did not have that issue today. Also for this set, I didn't use the base coat that came in the 32-piece set. Instead, I used the builder gel as a base coat because on the back of the box for that, it does say that you can use that as a base coat. It does leave a tacky layer, so I did wipe the tacky layer off first before I went in with the color. But yeah, I really like those builder gels. I'm definitely getting more into builder gels and rubber base coats, and maybe one day I'll move on to hard gel. I haven't tried hard gel yet because I know with hard gel you can only file it off, and I'm still working on using my e-file. You know, I don't want to cut myself or anything like that, so I'm still working with that, and then I'll move on to maybe trying out hard gel. But right now I need to just figure out builder gel and rubber base coat. And yeah, so that's what I'm working on now, you know, behind the scenes. When I'm not filming, I'm definitely practicing the technique for builder gel and rubber base coat. But back to these polishes. It was very easy to do the line work with these. Like I said, they are on the thinner side, so I went in with super thin layers instead of going in with a thick coat and did all my line work. I did wipe the nails because before I do artwork, I do like to wipe the nails off just to get any type of inhibition layer off the nails so it doesn't mess up my drawing. And even better, another thing you can do is top coat your nails with a matte top coat before you do your artwork. That might help you out as well. So I did a simple fruit design and I used a dotting tool to create each fruit. I did use a liner brush to make the leaves, but for each fruit I just went in with a dotting tool and I used the thinner side and the thicker side. This one that I'm using today, I can flip it. It has two different sides, so I used that. So you don't need a lot of tools. But definitely let me know what you think of this nail set after you finish watching, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. I greatly appreciate it. And this is the 3 top coats that come in the set. So you get a regular top coat, a matte top coat, and this one, which is laser top coat, but it's hollow. And I didn't use this one in this nail set. I thought that maybe it would be too much with the glitter and the fruit and the stripes. I don't know. Let me know what you think. So I just used the regular top coat, and it's really glossy. It's nice. It's non-wipe. I had no issues with it. I actually had no issues with any of these polishes. And this is the final nail set. I tried to show you the nails on top of different backgrounds because I wasn't sure if the light colored background was like messing up the design if you couldn't see it that well. So I think I used 3 different backgrounds, but maybe I only showed 2. Maybe I think I edited some of them out. But let me know what you think of this nail design in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, if you're interested in the 32-piece gel set, remember it's 28 gel colors and 4 other colors, 3 top coats, 1 base coat, then go ahead and check out my description box. It will be linked to my Amazon storefront, and it is going to be 25% off for Modelones Amazon Prime Day sale. So check it out if you want to. If you're not interested in this, then they'll have deals up to 70% off on their other items. So if you're a Modelones fan, it might be a good time to stock up. And if you've never tried Modelones before, maybe now's your opportunity to try. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Modelones for sending these over. I greatly appreciate it. It was fun to try out a new brand. And Modelones, I see Modelones everywhere, and I've never really tried the product. I never really deep dived into this brand, so I was very happy to try it out. in this design, it came out so cute. So if you're interested to know how to do my pop-off method, then let me know in the comments and I'll try to incorporate it in another video. If you like me painting on my actual hand instead of doing on a nail stand, let me know that and maybe I'll do some of those. And as always, I'll see you or you'll see me in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.